Alright, so I found some little things I want to incorporate to the wand somehow. I put these together on the chain. I don't know how I want to use this, but I want to use it. I have a clear quartz and I made this. It's just like an old earring, and I wrapped these feathers together on the back of this old earring. Like glued some crushed glass, crushed mirror onto it, put the pentacle on it, and I put several more layers of glue, hot glue, where I'm connecting the different pieces of wood. And I still have to go over all of it with clay and paint and lacquer and all sorts of stuff. Probably more glue too. Yeah. I'll update you guys as soon as I have more.